arch your back and literally your shoulders and everything. You're gonna shrug forward a bit. You're gonna spin more towards up a little bit because you wanna keep your balance leveled. So you have to know your balance very well when you actually go to actually grab your feet. And legs gonna be out, your butt's gonna be on the wall. Now you're gonna learn to put your hands and feet out like this, and then you're gonna learn how to scoot them in like this, okay? So use your hands on the floor like this. Get that idea from here out, and then slide everything in. So 4 good taps. Here we go, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands and feet out. Start bringing them in slowly. And there you have it. Both together, all in one.